Discover the Sparkle templates for Webflow. Elevate your business with the Sparkle by Ego Creative Innovations. Step into the digital limelight with WebPulse, the embodiment of modern web design. WebPulse offers an electrifying dark theme, punctuated by neon green accents, ensuring your agency's cutting-edge flair shines. Designed for forward-thinking web agencies, it's more than just aesthetics. It's about merging unparalleled style with functionality. Seamlessly showcase services, introduce your team, and engage clients with this next-gen template. Need customization? Delve into the Sparkle UI Kit, packed with style guides, varied components, and mobile-first design. Our templates ensure seamless adaptability across devices. Crave variety? Explore our vast template collection. The Sparkle templates, crafted for precision, ready for success.